Okay, in this video I'm going to be talking to you about the rowing machine and some of the words and how we describe certain points on that, and a little bit about technique with rowing. So this is the rowing machine. It's also known as the ergo. I'm sat unsurprisingly on the seat, which goes up and down the slide. These are the foot plates where you will be putting your feet, and this is the handle, which is what you'll be hanging off to do the rowing, connected to the chain, which goes into a cog here in the machine, which turns the flywheel, which is inside this housing. It turns it exactly like a bike on a single gear. Just to the right of this housing of the flywheel, there is a handle, and that sets not necessarily the resistance, it's the damper, because on each machine, on a different time of day, or depending on how much dust is in the wheel, each number will mean a different thing, a different level of resistance, or how heavy it feels when you row. So when you sat on the seat, you don't want to be sat all the way at the back. It'll make you uncomfortable. It'll be a bit harder to rock forward. You want to be sat at the front. Your foot goes into the foot plate underneath the strap. Underneath the plastic bit, there's a section that will move up and down depending on how you want your feet set. I have them on the top hole because as you start to age, you lose flexibility in your ankle. Which means that you can't come as far forward as easily. If you lower the feet, it takes away the restrictions from your mobility and you can get all the way forward. So I have this across the top of my toes. Get them nice and tight using these straps. Then come forward. So pick up the handle. This point is called front stops. And this is called back stops. So you come forward on the slide. Holding the handle out. So the sequence of rowing is very simple. It's legs, body, arms, arms, body, legs. So if you come forward, this is where we take the catch. So you'll lift your blades up to put the blades in the water and catch the water. Then you drive with your legs up the slide, open with your back, pull in with your arms. And on the reverse, you're at back stops, arms out, not moving your body. And you rock over at the hips. And when we're rocking here, trying to keep your back straight the whole way through. If you curve over at this point, it means when you come forward to the catch, you'll put in all your strain through your back in all the worst points. So it is arms, body rocking over at the hips, and then bring your legs through. And the whole way down the slide, you don't want to move your body at all. So when you come to the catch, you don't have to reach forward for any extra length. You just lift the handle up, take the catch, and drive with your legs. So it's arms, body, legs, legs, body, arms. Arms, body, legs, legs, body, arms. And you want to make it as similar as possible on the way up and down, so that if anyone takes a picture of you going up or down the slide, they wouldn't be able to tell which way you were going just from the picture. So you come to the back stops, drive, body and arms, in sequence, legs, body, arms.